If you're considering Deliverr for your dropshipping business, there are 12 key things you need to know before you make a decision. Compared to other popular options like Shopify or Oberlo, Deliverr promises fast fulfillment, but does it live up to the hype? Let's break it down. The first thing to know is that Deliverr offers 2-day shipping nationwide. This is a huge advantage if you're selling in the US because it can help you compete with larger brands. With Deliverr, your customers get fast shipping times, which can increase your chances of making a sale. Other dropshipping services, like Oberlo or AliExpress, typically have longer shipping times, so this could set you apart. Next thing, Deliverr integrates seamlessly with platforms like Shopify, Walmart, and eBay. If you're already using these platforms for your dropshipping store, Deliverr is a solid choice. The integration is straightforward, which makes managing your store much easier compared to other services that require more manual work. The third thing to know is about Deliverr's pricing structure. They charge a flat rate based on the size and weight of the product, and this can help you calculate your costs more accurately. While this is an advantage for predictability, it might not be as cost-effective for every type of product. Competitors like Oberlo offer lower entry-level costs, but Deliverr's flat rate can be beneficial if you're dealing with larger inventory. The fourth thing is that Deliverr has its own network of fulfillment centers across the US. This gives you an edge in terms of storage and shipping efficiency. Unlike other dropshipping options where your product is sent from overseas, Deliverr's US-based centers can help you cut down on shipping times, which is a major bonus. Next, Deliverr's customer service is generally praised for being responsive. Unlike some dropshipping suppliers, you can expect timely support when you have issues. However, some users have reported slower responses during peak times, so it's worth keeping in mind. The sixth thing to note is Deliverr's inventory management system. It's automatic and synced with your e-commerce store, which makes tracking your products simpler. But this also means you need to make sure your product data is accurate, or you could run into stock issues. This is one thing that could be a downside when compared to other software like Oberlo, where manual inventory checks are part of the process. The seventh thing is Deliverr's ability to handle bulk orders. If your dropshipping business is scaling, Deliverr can accommodate large volumes without any hiccups. This gives it an advantage over competitors who might struggle with large-scale fulfillment. Next thing, Deliverr is focused primarily on US-based shipping. If you're looking to expand internationally, it might not be your best bet unless you're shipping from a US warehouse. Other services, like AliExpress or CJ Dropshipping, offer more international reach, so if you're targeting global markets, you might want to look elsewhere. The ninth thing is that Deliverr offers a transparent dashboard. You can track your orders in real time, which is great for managing customer expectations. While Shopify and Oberlo also provide order tracking, Deliverr's dashboard is designed specifically for fulfillment, making it more streamlined for that purpose. The 10th thing to know is that Deliverr offers a 30-day free trial. This is a great way to test out the platform and see if it works for you before committing long-term. However, remember that the pricing can get high if you're shipping heavy or large items, so be sure to monitor your costs during the trial. Next, Deliverr is known for its fast onboarding process. Setting up your account and starting to ship products can happen within a few days. This is quicker than some of its competitors, like CJ Dropshipping, which might require more time to integrate and get started. The 12th and final thing is that Deliverr offers a return management system. This means you don't have to handle returns yourself, which is a big time saver. However, there are still some limitations on how returns are processed, so be sure to check their return policy carefully to make sure it works with your business model. So, while Deliverr is a solid choice for fast shipping, ease of integration, and US-based fulfillment, it might not be the best fit for every business. If you're looking for more international reach or lower initial costs, there are other options to consider. If you're ready to get started with a solution that's free to try, check out our recommended alternative that might work even better for your business.